Hi everybody. Does your Windows PC feel really sluggish sometimes? Well, even if you're not running any big programs, Windows is secretly borrowing your RAM right now, and it's doing it on purpose. There's a hidden background service enabled by default that preloads apps that you might not even want or even use, and they are eating up gigabytes of memory behind your back. Manual RAM cleaners only provide a temporary fix, so today I'm going to show you how to take back control and permanently stop this service from eating your system RAM resources. We're talking about a service that Windows calls SysMain. So let's dive right in. First of all, open the run command. You can do this by pressing the Windows key plus R on your keyboard, or you can just type run in your search bar. Then we need to access the services. In the dialog box, type services.msc and then click enter. This opens the control center for every background process running on your PC. Now let's locate that culprit. So scroll down the alphabetical list and you'll find it near the bottom, and it's called SysMain. Once you've found it, we need to change the behavior of this service. So as you can see, by default, it's set to automatic. So double click the service to open in the properties window. And now let's disable and kill it. Change the startup type, drop down to disabled. But since this service is already running, we need to click the stop button to kill the process immediately. And then to save the changes, just click apply and then OK. So congratulations, you've just freed up that reserved memory for good. Now, before you do anything else, you need to restart your PC and then take a look at your task manager, and you should see a noticeable drop in your idle RAM usage. Bit of a pro tip, if you've got a high-end SSD drive, you might not notice a massive speed boot, but for those looking just to squeeze every megabyte of RAM out of their system, this is definitely a game changer. If this tip helped you out, please smash that like button, subscribe for more Windows optimizations, and hit that bell so you never miss a fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.